Hello, my name is Amy Golay, and this is my professional portfolio video. A little bit about me to get started. I have been born and raised in Garden City, Kansas. I went to school at Wichita State University for my undergrad in elementary education and early childhood unified. I was a part of the Delta Gamma sorority where I held several different positions in the house. Right out of college, I accepted a position at Jenny Wilson Elementary School, which happens to be the elementary school I grew up in, and I've been teaching first grade ever since, so for 5 years. I have a variety of different goals, but some of the big ones would be to win the Crystal Apple Award, to be debt-free, and to start a family. My technology philosophy really stemmed around my experience with our one-to-one pilot process through our district that I was lucky enough to be a part of. Some activity evidence. So I'm going to be honest, the professional development plan was a burger to do. It was not my favorite. It was a lot more time consuming than I projected it to be. If I would have just read, and really believed it, the directions, then I would have probably been a little bit more prepared. But yeah, it was quite the experience writing this out. I hope that it's something I don't ever have to do again. But if I do, I know how to do it now, which is great. I chose to do my professional development plan around the idea of doing one-to-one iPads school-wide just in my elementary school. I wanted to kind of keep it smaller. Some videos, training videos I did them all in front of our staff. Some were just specific small group of staff that asked for specific things. And then the Class Dojo was a staff in-service day that my principal allowed me to do a training on because Class Dojo is school-wide, whether it is the music teacher, the secretary, the lunch lady, the librarian, whoever it is, we all have Class Dojo and have access to it. Class Dojo is like a behavior management system, but it also ties in with parent involvement. You can communicate with them, you can share videos and notes, and recently they added that you can create activities or assignments for your students to do, and then it will also be in Class Dojo. So not only are you having them do work, but parents are getting involved by being able to see the work their students are doing. So I did a little training on that, just the very basics of how to create an activity. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get into the system. The Nearpod training in the middle, that is something that is really close to my heart. I do it every single day in my classroom. I've created my own. Majority of them are that I present are all lessons that I've created on my own, but I do use the Nearpod library as well. It's a program that our school district has purchased for us all, so it's a great little added extra to take advantage of. And the Google Suite training, going into the Masters of Instructional Technology, I was pretty foreign to the whole idea other than, Google search. And so as I was learning more and more throughout this program, I kind of shared that with some of my coworkers, and they found a lot of interest in wanting to know more as well. So I took some time after school to train some of them. Professional presentations, all of them are ones that I have done throughout this program through different classes, but the one that I'm most proud about is the implementing technology into your classroom with Powtoon. That's a program that I've never used before, and I put a lot of work into that one and felt very, very proud of that one. The article summaries, I really enjoyed this one. Usually, again, I'm going to be honest, I'm not gung-ho about going out and looking for articles about certain stuff unless I'm in that moment, but with this one I had a lot of fun with, and all 3 articles that I chose are ones that are passionate for me and that I could really have a buy-in. So the first one is what does research really say about iPads in the classroom, and it talks about 2 current elementary and professor teachers who are going through and just kind of exploring the idea of one-to-one iPads and the lack of training teachers have, and how that has an effect on implementation in the classrooms. It was a really good read, and I would encourage anyone to read it if they want a little bit more information on implementing technology. The next one was the assistive technology one. Another one that was near and dear to my heart because I am so passionate about SPED, and it was really awesome to kind of see someone else's take on AT, and one of the quotes right here, it says, "Do we consider a student who wears glasses to be cheating? Nope. But glasses are an assistive technology. They allow someone with poor eyesight to see better." And that just really opened my eyes to what assistive technology is, and I think it's huge for everyone else to see that too. And the last one is increasing student engagement with a pilot program, which was really interesting to see since I was also a part of our district's pilot program. And then extra resources, I just threw in some stuff that I've done in the past with other assignments that I felt proud about and that I felt was really relatable to my current job and my professional development plan. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.